Hello guys, it's Makali's Cakes here and you're welcome to my channel. If you're new here, if it's your first time here, you're welcome. Please feel free to click on the subscribe button to get notification when I upload the video, and of course like this video after watching, give it a thumbs up, drop a nice comment after watching this video. So guys, this video is all about how to make chocolate ganache filling for your cakes, perfect for chocolate cake of course. So if you're interested to watch this video, I want you all to sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Do not go anywhere guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So guys, you're welcome to my channel. So here is my dark compound chocolate and icing sugar, and then the evaporated milk, unsalted butter, and your salt, and of course that's the vanilla flavor. So make sure that the chocolate you're going to use is compound chocolate. It's very important you take note of that. So guys, before I proceed, please make sure you click on the subscribe button to get notification of when I upload any video. Okay, and then also like this video as well and drop a nice comment. So for the process of this chocolate ganache filling, you're going to mix all these ingredients together. Yes, mixing the chocolates, the icing sugar, the butter and the milk, mix everything together, and then so you have to combine everything and then put it on a low heat for it to melt completely. So it's a very easy process, not like it's very difficult, and this chocolate filling can be used for chocolate only. So if you have any chocolate cake, we have a customer that's a huge fan of chocolate, you can as well make this type of filling for the customer, and trust me guys, your customer is actually gonna do like love the cake because it's so chocolatey, rich in ingredients and also rich in high taste. Okay, so that is it guys. So I'm going to mix everything together, and of course like I said, put it on a low heat so that it can melt gradually, just like what's happening right now in this video. So you need to give it a light stir, give it a continuous stir, okay, until everything has melted. There are some kind of dark chocolate that's very difficult to work with. I can share with you some brand to use. You can use Colata, you can use Le Bon, you can use what else? These are the two chocolate that I have in my mind or in my head. Like I really trust the brand. So you can also search for them on Instagram, okay? Continue melting guys. You have to keep on stirring until everything melts completely. This recipe is actually really good. And also I'm sure some of you will be wondering, can you use margarine? Well, the thing with margarine and chocolate is that margarine is salty, like it's high in salt, and for me I really don't like it for my chocolate ganache filling. In fact, anything that I'm doing with chocolate, I really don't like it. So it's better I use unsalted butter, because when the recipe calls for unsalted butter, there's a reason for that. Most time you don't have to start alternating recipes anyhow. So I hope that is clear enough. You can see the consistency of this ganache filling, and it's actually good for chocolate cake. So guys, you need to keep on stirring until everything has dissolved completely. You can see how it is, and it's also good for probably for to sandwich your cakes or something sharp. But I hope you guys I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm done with this anyway. It's a simple process. So guys, we come to the end of the video, and please click on the subscribe button to get notification. Also like the video. If you enjoy watching the video, just drop a nice comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I have other videos where you can also watch. I have chocolate recipe video and other cake recipe video where you can always watch. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I want to see you in my next video. Bye for now.